Most people think getting rich means luck or being born into the right family. But the truth is darker than that. Most people stay poor because they follow the same broken script. You were taught to study hard, get a job, and wait patiently. But nobody told you this part. If your income stops when you stop working, you're renting your life. Let me give you a simple example. A delivery worker earns only when he's delivering. The moment he rests, the money stops. That's not freedom, that's survival. Now compare that with someone who owns a system. A system pays even when they sleep. Rich people don't work harder than you. They work on things that keep working without them. Here's the first secret step. You must stop chasing money and start building leverage. Leverage means effort once, then paid again and again. This could be a YouTube channel, a digital product, or a small online business. In 365 days, one focused system can change everything, but only if you stop jumping between ideas. Most people fail because they chase motivation, because motivation is temporary, but systems are permanent. Second secret step, control your expenses before income. A leaking bucket never fills. You don't need more money first. You need discipline first. A person earning $1,000 with discipline beats someone earning $10,000 with chaos. Third secret step, learn one high-income skill. Not 10, just one. Skills like sales, editing, storytelling, coding, or marketing pay more than degrees. Degrees ask for permission, while skills demand attention. Fourth secret step, delay pleasure. Most people trade their future for comfort. Netflix feels good today, but discipline will feel good forever. Here's the harsh truth. You don't lack time, you lack priority. If you gave 1 hour daily for 365 days, you'd be unrecognizable. The rich don't rush. They compound. Small actions done daily beat massive actions done once. Stop waiting for confidence, because confidence comes after action, not before. 1 year will pass anyway. The question is, will you be the same? 365 days from now, you'll either thank yourself or blame yourself. Let's talk about why most people quit halfway. Not because it's hard, but because the results are silent at first. In the beginning, effort gives no applause, no likes, no praise, no validation. This silence breaks weak commitment, while strong systems survive in silence. The rich people expect the quiet phase, but poor people panic inside it. Here's a mental shift that changes everything. You must detach from outcomes and fall in love with inputs. Outcomes are delayed, but inputs are controllable. If you post one video daily for a year, you don't need talent for that. You need consistency. Algorithms don't reward emotion. They reward patterns. Now let's expose a dangerous lie. Follow your passion is an incomplete advice. Passion without demand creates struggle, but skill plus demand creates income. That's why rich people ask one question first. Who already pays for this? You don't need a new idea. You need a proven one executed better. Now let's talk about fear, the silent killer. Fear doesn't scream. It whispers. Fear says, start tomorrow. Fear says, you're not ready. But tomorrow is how dreams die. Action today is how fear loses power. Most people wait for perfect timing, but the rich people move with imperfect information. You learn faster by doing wrong things than by waiting to do the right thing. Another secret that nobody tells you. Environment shapes behavior more than willpower. If your phone controls you, your future will too. Design your environment for success and remove friction from good habits and add friction to bad habits. Make laziness uncomfortable because money follows identity. You don't rise to goals, you fall to standards. Stop saying, I want to be rich. Start saying, I build systems daily. Here's what 365 days really means. It's not a deadline, it's a filter. Most people won't last. That's why it works. When you outlast others, opportunity finds you. And when momentum hits, it feels sudden, but it wasn't. 1 year from now, you'll remember this moment. Not because it was motivational, but because it demanded honesty. You don't need belief. You need action. And if you're still watching this, you already know what to do.